Tired of weight loss promises that sound too good to be true? Let's dive deep into Slenderiiz Skinny Drops to uncover the truth behind the hype and separate fact from fiction. First, we'll scrutinize the ingredients. Are they scientifically proven for weight loss or just a blend of fancy-sounding herbs with little evidence? We will break down each component, exploring its purported benefits and any potential drawbacks. Next, let's analyze real customer reviews. Are people raving about incredible results, or are they complaining about a lack of effectiveness and nasty side effects? We'll look at both sides of the story to get a balanced perspective. Safety first, we'll explore the potential side effects associated with Slenderiiz Skinny Drops. Are there any risks you should be aware of before considering this product? We'll examine reported adverse reactions and consult with health experts for a professional opinion. Value for money is crucial. Is Slenderiiz Skinny Drops worth the investment? We'll compare its price point to other weight loss options and weigh the potential benefits against the cost. By the end of this video, you'll have all the information you need to make an informed decision about Slenderiiz Skinny Drops. Is it a legitimate weight loss aid, or just another marketing gimmick? Stick around to find out. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and weight loss insights.